lang ito mangyayari.
I'm so freaking scared!
Kaya pakatutukan. Kung karapat-dapat nga ba silang tawagi, mga babae. Prom D. Walang ganito sa States.
Oh, Jasmine muna kasi. You first, girl. We tried being first kanina. Tinanggal niyo na?
It's so small.
Correct, Donita. Kaya kailangan doble ingat kayo sa pagbunot ng ipin ng ating mga QTBE. Kayo din, mahal magpapasta.
Ang ginagawa yun dahil hindi nga magpapadidi yung kanyang inahin kung may pangil, masasaktan siyempre yung inahin niya.
Okay.
Wow, naman.
So sila lang hahawak o ikaw hahawak? Tutulungan mo sila.
Gigi! Oh, Jasmine muna kasi. You first, girl. We tried being first kanina.
First up, Jasmine. Kaya mo yan, te. Don't worry. Di yan nangangagat.
Takot ako, may dugo. I was scared that it might bleed and it might cry some more. And ako, I almost cried. Muntik ako umiyak. Yeah. Kasi kawawa naman yung bata. Okay. Pero, okay lang.
Congrats, Miss Trias! Di ka lang idol sa kantahan, idol ka rin sa bunutan ng ngipin.
Soft. It's soft. It's very easy. Because akala ko tagas. So, akala ko hirapan ako. And the more it will cry. So, takot ako pero it was soft. So, okay na.
Comfort mo. Next, Biik.
Aba, kumusta naman ang biik na ito? Umi-eksena?
Ay, my gosh, umihi! Girl, sa'yo yung in there.
Next up, Donita. Oh. At mukhang natutuliro ka na naman.
The things that helped me a lot was nung sinabi ni Manong na kailangan talagang tanggalin yung ngipin kasi kung hindi masusugatan yung nanay, kawawa yung nanay. Then I realized, wow, okay, this is something that is done every day. If they were just wanting us to cut the tooth for the sake of a challenge, I wouldn't have done it. Pero kung talagang kailangan naman talaga, then that's what gave me the strength to go on. Sorry. Actually, it wasn't that hard to do. It was like clipping a fingernail. Kasi yung biik napakaliit at yung tooth niya sa side, yung ngipin niya, it's still manipis lang.
You did it, girl! Galing mo nga eh.
Siyempre pa, ang huling susubok. Miss Rufa Gutierrez Bectas. Good luck, Day!
Girl, can you shoot him? I can't concentrate.
Ala, Donita, anong nangyayari dyan sa biik mo?
Di mo gayahin itong si Jasmine. Napaamo ang baby biik niya.
Quiet down. They said that iyakin siya kasi gusto siya yung mother. Yeah, yung mommy niya. So, hawak ako like this. Try to stop the crying. Kasi kawawa naman, I don't like to hear it.
Hawak ko na yung nail cutter, parang kinakabahan ako kasi what if hindi ko maputulan yung ngipin ng biik? What if I cut the tongue bigla at biglang dumugo doon?
Oh my gosh, matapang yung sa akin, no? Sana.
Got it?
Parang tinanong ko lang with the nail cutter. Tapos naputol na siya. Buti na lang very obedient yung piglet ko.
Well done, Day! Winner! Oh, girls, picture taking muna with the biiks. Remembrance ng kanilang first bunot. At
ate. Gusto ko...
Nandito na ang pinakabongga at ang pinakamatindi sa lahat ng challenge sa seryeng ito.
Gansa-gansa? Paano ka ginawa? Aray! Ay, may nagsabi na sa akin. Okay. Ayan. Alam niyo yung gansa? No. Yung parang duck na malaki na may ribbon.
Oh, okay.
Goose?
Ano yun ba yung sa... Ano English? Goose? Goose. 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 Thank you. Tapos merong cage na maliit sa gitna. Yan. Pagka naipasok niyo sila na isalin niyo yung may ribbon, 30 points.
The turkey is
Yung turkey.
20 points.
and then the duck.
10 points.
Alam mo, sa bahay namin sa Istanbul, meron kaming peacock. 2 peacock namin.
Wow! Sosyal! Meron pala kayong zoo sa bahay? Magkano naman ang entrance dyan?
Meron din kami mga rabbits.
Are they gonna bite? Are they gonna bite? But it doesn't have a ngipin, but
Hey!
there's a beak.
What's up with you, Jasmine?
I can peck on you.
Are you okay, all right?
Right?
Catch Me If You Can ang drama ng mga gansa at pato at pabo. Unang sasabak sa
Really?
labanan,